Welcome, my awesome, beautiful, fantastic people. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm walking down on Denny's Drive in Winter Park, Florida. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day, nice and breezy.
Ground, you need
People
what?
are out playing, driving, and everything. Right now, I'm at this location. What I'm showing you looks like a big lake. And we're going to take a look at it from a distance. Looks like a beautiful lake, doesn't it? Come here and the fish and everything, don't it? But can you believe back in 1981, this wasn't a lake. This was just a normal grassy land. What we're looking at right now is a sinkhole. Back in 1981, this was the largest sinkhole that opened up and kept spreading and spreading and spreading. They named this lake Lake Rosa. I guess due to the fact that one of the houses that's swallowed, that's in the bottom of this lake, was owned by Miss Rosa. Also, to the far end, there was a Porsche dealership. Back in 1981, there's some Porsches that were down here in this lake. So think about the classic cars that's down here at the bottom of this lake. Porsche at that. Other parts of businesses are inside this lake. They decided just to keep everything down there because the more they kept trying to pull everything out, the more wider the hole got. This hole got so wide, even got to the street where the cars are passing. We'll get back to that section later. I just want you to take a look at this big old sinkhole that nobody knows. They just think it's a lake. 1981, I can tell you where I was. Do you know where you were? And some bird sunbathing. Alright, this is another section of that was fenced off. I don't think they even tried to repair that. Now this is some of the businesses that didn't get affected by the sinkhole. But hey, we never know. We're going to cut through this little shortcut here. Part of the business was affected from the sinkhole, the parking lot that got sucked in. Still going around the sinkhole. Here's another angle for where some of the businesses I mean, come on, you can take a look at it. I would never thought it was a lake. Well, it is a lake, but I would never thought how it became a lake. I would have just came here and like, oh, what a beautiful lake, not knowing this is a man-made lake. Earth opened up. I'm looking from the angle, and I'm only going to do it from this angle. And these are businesses that the parking lot, these ain't the original businesses, but these are the businesses that end up getting swallowed. Now, this building looked like original 1981 building. So now we're walking towards the front. You got a what? All right, we're on Fairbanks Avenue, and it's going into Denning Drive. Little construction going on here. Now, this road we're walking on was part of the sinkhole too. I think it expanded way out over there, where at least where the tree is in the middle of the road. That's part of the sinkhole too. Don't know where the house originally was, But I believe Miss Rosa's house was somewhere around here that ended up getting swallowed whole. It's the only home that was swallowed whole besides the Porsche cars and several businesses. So if that happened back in 1981, that's been 41 years ago. Here's another view. Now, as you see, there's a field where they play soccer and football, and they also build a park for the children to play. Made me wonder, do any of them know the history of this little lake that's near them? I wonder.